I think we've spent a lot of time about mortgage companies. Let's talk about title companies.
So what do you want to talk about?
What separates title companies, Josh?
Well, for us, we settle anywhere, anytime. The other part is,
which I will chime in real quickly. It's very important. We're all very busy in our lives. To have someone that is flexible enough to be able to come and go anywhere, you can't appreciate the value of that.
especially if you're going through a divorce and you don't want to see your ex, that really benefits you.
And it's either that or multiple conference rooms so that you don't know each other or see each other.
We have those too.
Yes.
The other thing that really sets us apart is that we're a boutique company. We don't have 500 clients. We have 20 clients, and we service them very well. And then we try to give their clients A+ service so that you don't get voicemail. You do get somebody on the phone, and you can call us 24/7. I mean, I call you 8, 9 o'clock at night about stuff. I'm like, hey, and we talk. I'm always available. And a lot of other title companies out there, they're not available. You're going to get their voicemail. They close at 5 o'clock. We're open 24/7, literally, like a Chinese food restaurant.
Where you can get a cheesesteak.
And duck sauce on a federal holiday.
Yes. Christmas.
The other thing that benefits, that separates us from our competitors is we have 3 underwriters. So we've had a lot of companies. We just had one yesterday that
So
was.
if everyone understands that underwriters being title insurance, and there is an underwriting of a property per se. So if you only have one, and they don't
say
like
no,
something,
you're
if
done.
you're not getting title insurance, you're not buying or refinancing that property.
And then, also with the underwriters we have one of the largest in the country. We have a medium, and then we have a lower one. And the difference is their pricing is different. So if you're a first-time home buyer and you're short on money, we're going to put you with the discounted underwriter. If you're buying $1 million property, we're going to put you with the National Fidelity underwriter. We have Fidelity, North American, and WFG. And, each one has its own purpose within our company to help get those deals through. We've had deals where Fidelity's like, we're not going to touch it. And WFG is like, hey, we'll take it. Let's get it done. And this is how we're going to do it. So we're a lot more flexible than the other title companies because we do have 3 underwriters. And, what is your experience that separates us from other title companies?
What I like about Eastern
Yeah.
Title, I certainly like the personal service. Obviously,
Hey, we get to go fishing once in a while too. That helps.
that helps. Certainly, being in the real estate industry as long as I have been, what's important to me may not necessarily be as important to a consumer. But from a business-to-business relationship, I have found that all my clients are very comfortable when they work with you. That access to you guys and your staff makes my job easier. Because their questions then don't fall on my shoulders.
Yeah.
They come back and they're you take
And they
care of
ask
them.
us all those questions.
So
The other part I really like is I really like teaming up with Mortgage Link because they're a great company and we work well together. So if there is a problem at settlement, you don't have to worry about it falling back on you. We'll figure it out. You might not even know about it, but because of our business relationship and how well we work with it, just not the Mortgage Link, but anybody, we're always trying to make sure that by the time you get to that table, it's the best day of your life because you're buying your home.